Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. If you like your blankets with a tighter circle in the middle, then this is the stitch for you. It's called a magic ring. Some people call it a magic circle, but I call it a magic ring. So what it does, it allows you to tighten the circle that you start in on your projects. So it gives it a more neater look when it's all put together and finished off. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you're interested in learning, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start by taking our yarn. Any gauge of yarn is fine as long as it matches the project that you're doing, obviously. So you're going to start by pulling your yarn out. I like to make about 10 centimeters worth. Okay, you're going to lay your hand and your two fingers flat, and you're going to wrap the yarn around it twice, like so. Some people do it a different way where they cross it over, but I found over time this is much easier. So make sure that they are all nice and together and close. And sometimes what I like to do is just hold this one like this. So what you're going to want to do is under the first two strands, you're going to want to go in, pick up the end that is still connected to your ball, bring it up and twist. So that twist will lock it into place. Now what I like to do is I like to grab all three of these so that you make your ring. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through. So that will secure it into a slip stitch. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through for a chain one. And then from there you can start doing your different stitches. Now what you want to do is you can continue on. So we're going to do some half double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, through, back through, yarn over, and through all three. 1, 2, 3. We're going to repeat this 4 times. So yarn over, through, back through, yarn over again, and through all 3 hoops. And then we're going to do it one more time. So we're going to yarn over, through, back through, and yarn over again, and through all 3 hoops. So then you can pull up with your hook and get a nice tail on this hoop. Now we're going to adjust the magic ring down. So I like to hold it at the end here. Okay, so once you start pulling, you will work out which one is your first hoop to go in. Okay, so what you want to see is this part, when you pull, this tail goes in first. So you want to follow this around to the other end, gently pull it so that the other loop comes in. Now this is the loop you're going to want to get tight first. So you're going to pull that, maneuver it into place, and then you're going to finish off your magic ring by pulling the tail end and locking it all in tight. Now after that you can now see that it is locked off, and the center of your ring, once you finish your 12, 16, 24, whatever it's going to be, will be nice and closed and tight. So yeah, I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful, and I will see you in the next one.